Okay, so this is the KitchenAid Professional 600 series. Alright, so this KitchenAid mixer, I did a video on this back in 2020. And when I did the video, the mixer wasn't working right. Ran some tests, and it so happened that the circuit board and it's gone. I wasn't getting a circuit board I looked all about, I wasn't getting it. It happened online. The customer, they can afford at the moment to get it. So right now, the customer wants the KitchenAid mixer fixed, and I was able to get the circuit board for it. So I will show you it's not working. Alright, so nothing happening. It's not spinning, it's not turning the shaft. Right, so the circuit board in this one. Alright, so this is the new circuit board. Alright, so now when you buy a circuit board, you're looking for the part number. Right, so once you get the part number, it will work. And to be sure, make sure everything line up and everything looking the same way. Right, so sometimes it have a difference in the shape and size, but the circuit board, it works the same way. Alright, so you have to make sure everything line up good. Everything same shape, same size. Alright, so before I start, I will clean this. This is very dirty, as you can see. It's packed down for since 2020, packed down. So I will clean this and get back to you. Alright, so just wipe it down a bit. It's looking much better than before. Now to open this, right, normally it have a strap. This screw hole is strapped, right. I can't find this strap. The strap cover these two screws on this side and on the other side. So right now I cannot find the strap. I cannot find the strap, but I know it there somewhere. It's been since 2020 packed down. Alright, so now make sure it unplug. Remove all 4 screws. Right, so 2 screws on this side. Remove the cover. Okay, so now it have 2 screws that hold on this circuit board. Remove it. Alright, so this is the old circuit board, right? And you can see the numbers. Alright, so the numbers are a little different, but it will work because this circuit board can work in various KitchenAid mixer. It can be different series of KitchenAid mixer, but same circuit board, different serial number, the same circuit board. Now what you need to remember is that the circuit board must have the same shape and same size. Alright, so you can see all the terminals, all the components the same thing, and same size and same shape. So part number is not really a problem. Alright, so to be safe, you don't want to mix up the wires. So to be safe, I will take out one by one wires. And install them one by one, so I will not mix up the wires. Right, so that go on the bottom. Alright, so this on top. Alright, so this is the supply. Supply wires. On the circuit board, it labels, right? So this one said black wire, right? Black line. So this is the black line, and this one say neutral. Right, so this is neutral, this is hot. Alright, so that install, double check and make sure all the wires, alright, secure. Now this part goes inside here. Alright, so you secure to the screws. Alright, so now you plug it on. You make sure it's on the off position. And then you put it on. Nice, right first. Second. Third. Fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Okay, so as you can see, the problem really is the circuit board. Right, so whenever you open this and it tests the motor and the motor working, but the machine not working and not spinning, right, so the motor working, again I'm reading on the motor, but it's not spinning, right, therefore it's the circuit board. Now there you have it. Now you know how to fix a KitchenAid mixer that's not working. Buy the parts, install it, save you some money, and have your KitchenAid mixer working again. Alright, so I'll put back this together. Very easy and simple. Just press on top. We install back the 4 screws. And I will try and look for the straps. I'll try and look for the strap that go around here to hide these 4 screws. As always, thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.